Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be cooking dinner for my family of 6. I'll be making fried meat stew, Ewedu and Poundo yam. And as you can see, I have all my ingredients. I have my tomato, red bell pepper, habanero pepper, ginger, onion. And also I have my thoroughly washed meat. I'll be frying this meat later in the video. And also, if you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Adenike. I'm a working mom of 4 and also a wife. I live in Canada. Consider to join this lovely family for more video. Welcome to Adenike Space. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Onions, we should cook nínú ẹran. It gives your meat flavor. This is curry time. No, curry flavor. No curry powder. What's in your body? Let's actually time what?
Rosemary thyme.
Rosemary is different from thyme.
Oh.
Yeah, but I think they are almost the same thing. I've never tried rosemary before. Maybe one day I'll try it. I'm gonna put my chicken flavor. They'll put Maggi you down. But it is me by what I put in rara. Yeah. I'm gonna use 1.5 of this. Esa is learning how to cook. 1.5 is okay. Half. So, can you give me one spoon? One. No. I love the wooden one. Yeah. Even this one safe. So you just mix. Bam boom, give me water. Water. I'm first gonna add this water. Later we are
It's already cooked.
Yeah, later we are going to add more water. So let's cover it now. Later we are going to add more. I fix your front head now. Before Monday, ask your partner. Don't worry, I'm going to use mine. So guys,
Wait, wasn't it in here?
Oh, this is my Ewedu. I'll be cooking Ewedu. Ewedu.
Oh.
I'll be adding Iru to it. But I need to wash this. Roma needs sand. I'm still going to blend the Iru. I said the Ewedu. I'm going to blend it a little bit. You see the abẹ́ ń bíbà. As I use, I cannot even finish the half. It will be too much. There and yo. The Ewedu is smelling so good.
That's not anything. I'm
And,
trying on it.
and it's because of the Iru, I mean the locust beans, it's making the this thing to smell good. Let me test this one. Test this.
Mommy, can I have some meat?
It is soft.
Me too.
You guys want meat?
Yes. Yes.
Ẹran tẹ́ máa fi jẹun ni mo fẹ́ fún yín yẹn tẹ́ bá ti jẹun.
Hey.
Let me just should I fry this thing or? But I'm craving for fried meat too. Let me just fry it a little bit. I will not fry it too much. Hey, you guys come and take meat.
I come.
Wait.
It's because of
Wait,
the
let's
game
have-
too much. No, my mom was there. Well, that's what I'm doing soon. Huh?
You can say I'm busy now.
Guys, look at me.
So I'm going to blend this now.
No.
What do you want to use your water bottle to do? Please give her a water bottle.
Oh, sure. Upstairs, please.
Let me, because I'm still going to eat fried one. Let me just oil in go. She me for us. Mako die because I say mama dey. Esther, please. Later now you say you know how to cook. Linda.
It's what? Oh. It's very delicious. Want to think of it? You know, I had the meat step. Can you pass me the water?